Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Sora 2 on Android. First, open your browser on your Android phone, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use. Now, in the search bar, type Sora OpenAI or Sora by OpenAI. Don't search directly in the Play Store because Sora might not appear there yet. From the search results, tap on the official Sora by OpenAI link. Make sure it's the real one. This link will take you straight to the Google Play Store page for Sora. This is the quickest way to reach the official app. As you can see, in my region, Sora is currently unavailable. If you are in regions like USA, Canada, South Korea, etc., you are able to download it. If you are in a region where Sora is currently unavailable, then you can wait until it is officially available. You can also use VPNs or apply other methods. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.